friends, Jackie Bolhuis from Klompen Stampers. This is a little bit different of a video because I just want to share with you what's going on in July. I feel like I've bombarded you, probably other Stampin' Up! Demonstrators have bombarded you with all the awesomeness that's coming your way. So I thought sometimes in a video, it's just easier to share the details. First off, I know you've probably heard by now, and you might even be sick of hearing about it, but Stampin' Up! Is running an incredible special on their demonstrator starter kit. Now stop, don't freak out. I know you might not want to be a demonstrator, and that's okay. Hear me out for just a minute. If you have a wish list out of this catalog that is longer than $100, and I bet you do, it absolutely makes sense for you to buy the demonstrator kit. The kit is $99, free shipping on it. You pick $125 of whatever you want out of here, plus you get to pick one of the families of ink pads, and they're, what are they, $63 or $67 or something like that, for 10 pads, totally free. And I promise you, sincerely from the bottom of my heart, there really is no obligation or commitment. You're a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, you can take advantage of all the benefits only if you want to. Biggest benefit, 20% off on all orders you place. If you were to sign up in July, you will remain an active demonstrator through the end of January. That means we have two catalogs coming. We have the holiday catalog coming, and then we'll have the occasions catalog coming. You will be a demonstrator when both of those are released, which means you'll be able to order out of them a whole month early. You will get them early, obviously. Plus, there's probably some other specials coming our way as demonstrators that you'll be able to take advantage of with seriously no pressure, no obligation, no commitment. Now, if you want to do classes or workshops or blog or videos or whatever, you absolutely can. And I am here to help you. I've done this for over 23 years now, and I promise you I will be your biggest supporter, cheerleader, and help you any way that I can. But if you want to just take advantage of a super, super good deal, I absolutely welcome you to join my Klompen Stampers team. I will never, ever pressure you to do anything that you don't want to do. Buy the kit and run if that's what you want. But I think you might want to take advantage of some of the benefits. A couple other benefits, if you join the Klompen Stampers team, those of you that love my Stamps in the Mail program, every single month you get that tutorial for free. I share it with my demonstrators. Now I know a lot of you purchase it each month. Why not get it for free, okay? That's, you know, on top of all the other benefits. Plus, I share so much with my demonstrator team that my customers, my other followers never see. Tons and tons and tons of tutorials, quick and easy projects, which you know that's what I'm all about. So I just wanted to share that with you. I would love to answer any questions, chat about this with you. If you were a demonstrator in the past, perfect time to come back. And if you've never been a demonstrator before, don't let the word demonstrator scare you away. It's almost like buying a Costco membership, I tell some people, because it just, purchase the kit, great super deal on it, and then you get benefits for at least through the end of January. So I'd love to chat more. Get a hold of me, leave me a comment, message me, email me, call me, whatever. I'd like to just share more with you and answer all of your questions. Now, also in January, holy cow, in July, Designer Series papers on sale. You guys know I love it. I share lots of projects. I have tons of projects I'm going to share over the course of July with you that focus on paper. But if you buy 3, you get 1 free. Don't forget to use my rewards card so that you also get Stampin' Rewards from me. I just love to give free stuff away. So check all of that out. In the description of the blog will be, or in the description of the video will be all the information you need on both of these specials. But do please think about purchasing a demonstrator kit if your wish list is over $99. It's just saving money, and who doesn't like to save money? So let me know if I can help you or answer any questions. Oh, and if you need one of these catalogs, let me know. I'd be happy to send that to you as well. So have a Stamp Happy Day.